Every morning, before the world becomes loud, you have a small window of quiet time. A few minutes where your mind is still fresh, where your heart is calm, and where you can build the person you want to become. Shi Heng Yi often says that your daily actions shape your life more than your dreams. And today, I want to show you a simple, peaceful morning routine that can slowly, gently improve your English, strengthen your confidence, and make your mind sharper every single day. This routine is not hard. It doesn't need money, it doesn't need books or classes or teachers. It only needs you, your intention, and your discipline. If you give just 10 minutes every morning, your progress will surprise you. Imagine waking up and your first thought is not stress, not worry, not your phone, but your improvement. You sit up, breathe deeply, and feel your mind waking up. Shi Heng Yi teaches that every morning is a chance to return to balance, to return to clarity. So begin by sitting straight, feet on the ground, hands relaxed. Take one deep breath, then another, then one more. Feel the air entering your body, feel your mind settling down. This moment prepares you, not just for English, but for life. A calm mind learns faster. A calm mind remembers more. A calm mind focuses better. When your breath is slow, your thinking becomes clear, and your words begin to flow naturally. Now, the first part of the routine is simple. Say one positive sentence in English. It can be as small as, "Today I will improve," or "I am learning step by step." It can be simple like, "I'm becoming better every day." The words don't have to be perfect. What matters is the energy behind them. When you speak positive words in the morning, your brain wakes up in a positive way. You teach yourself that improvement is possible. You teach yourself that learning English is not a burden, it is a journey. And every journey begins with one small but powerful step. Next, take your phone or a small paper and choose one English sentence to learn today. Just one. Not 10, not 20, not a long list that you will forget. Only one sentence. Something useful, something simple, something you can repeat easily. For example, "Where are you from?" or "Can you help me?" or "I understand you." When you focus on one sentence a day, you reduce pressure. You remove fear. Your brain can absorb it easily. By the end of the month, you will know 30 new sentences. By the end of the year, you will know hundreds. Small steps, quietly repeated, become big achievements. That is the way of discipline. That is the path of strength. After choosing your sentence, read it slowly 3 times. Don't rush. Feel every word. Let the sounds settle in your mind. If your tongue feels strange, if your accent feels heavy, if the words shake a little, don't worry. That is normal. Every skill feels awkward in the beginning. Shi Heng Yi teaches that the beginning is always full of resistance, but that resistance is proof that you are growing. So instead of getting angry or embarrassed, smile, breathe, repeat. Let the sentence become a part of you. Now the next part is important. Use your body. Stand up, relax your shoulders, and speak the sentence again. Movement helps memory. When you use your body, your mind becomes more active. When your posture is strong, your speech becomes strong. Say the sentence out loud with a calm, steady voice. Say it again while walking slowly in your room. Say it one more time while taking a deep breath. You're not just learning words. You are training confidence. You are training fluency. You are training your mind to speak without fear. Then comes one of the most powerful morning habits. 2 minutes of listening. Choose a small audio clip or a short English video, maybe a quote, a line from a movie, or a simple sentence from a speech. It should be short and clear. Listen to it without trying to understand every word. Just listen. Let your ears get used to the sound of English. Let your brain hear the rhythm, the tone, the pauses. This builds natural understanding. You don't need to force it. Language enters the mind like water, softly, slowly, gently, but it shapes your thinking deeply. Even 2 minutes a day can change the way you hear English forever. After listening, take a moment to repeat what you remember. Even if you remember only one word, one phrase, or one small sound, that is enough. The purpose is not perfection. The purpose is practice. Shi Heng Yi always teaches, repetition is the mother of skill. Every time you repeat, your brain creates stronger connections. Every time you try, your confidence grows. You may not notice the change today or tomorrow, but after weeks and months, your fluency will rise like a quiet sunrise, slow but unstoppable. Now, take your journal or a small notebook and write one simple English sentence about your morning. It can be anything. I woke up early today. I am learning English today. I feel calm and ready. You don't need to write perfectly. You don't need fancy words. Simple English is powerful English. Writing helps your mind organize thoughts. Writing helps you remember. Writing helps you express yourself. A single sentence a day is enough to build the habit, and habits shape your destiny. After writing, close your eyes for 10 seconds and imagine yourself speaking English confidently. Imagine yourself talking to someone without fear. Imagine yourself understanding movies, songs, speeches. Imagine yourself traveling, working, or teaching with confidence. This mental picture is not just imagination, it programs your brain. It gives direction to your learning. It gives your mind a destination. Where your focus goes, your progress grows. Finally, end your morning routine with one powerful line. I am becoming stronger every day. Say it clearly. Say it slowly. Say it as if you believe it. Because you should. Improvement is not magic. It is not luck. It is not talent. It is a daily practice, a daily commitment, a daily path. And you watching this right now already have everything you need to grow. You have time, you have breath, you have discipline, and you have the desire to improve. That is more than enough. If you follow this simple routine every morning, one positive sentence, one English sentence, 3 slow readings, speaking with movement, 2 minutes of listening, 1 sentence of writing, and 1 moment of visualization, you will see changes. Not small changes, big ones. Changes in your confidence, changes in your speech, changes in your understanding, changes in your mindset. And remember, learning English is not just learning a language. It is training your mind to think bigger. It is widening your world. It is giving yourself more opportunities, more choices, more strength. The truth is, you don't need to be perfect. You only need to be consistent. Progress is never loud. Progress is quiet. It happens in early mornings, in small steps, in short minutes that no one sees. But you feel it. You carry it. You become it. So tomorrow morning when you wake up, don't scroll your phone. Don't rush. Don't doubt. Sit up, breathe, follow the steps, and walk your daily path to strength. Step by step, you will rise. Step by step, you will improve. Step by step, you will become the person you want to be. And remember this, you're not competing with anyone. You are only competing with the version of you from yesterday. And every small win is a victory. Every small practice is progress. So begin, continue, and never stop. Your English will grow, your mind will grow, and you will grow.